Planning to prepare for UPSC CSE 2026 but don't know the basics. When I started preparing, even I was confused. So this video is for anyone just starting out. In this video we will break down everything you need to know about UPSC CSE from services to stages of examination. Welcome wanderers and fellow UPSC aspirants to Wandering in UPSC. Let's start our session. UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, conducts civil services examination every year to recruit IAS, IPS, IFS, IRS and more. It is one of the toughest and prestigious examination in our country. Services under UPSC CSE: Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Revenue Service and other Group A and Group B services. Eligibility criteria: must be a citizen of India, must hold a graduate degree from recognized university, minimum age 21 years as of 1st August of exam year. Educational qualification: any stream of graduation accepted. Final year students can apply if results are declared before mains. No minimum percentage required for the graduation. Age limit category wise: general 21 to 32 years, other backward classes 21 to 35 years, SC and ST U up to 37 years, economically weaker section same as general 21 to 32 years. Persons with disabilities varies within the categories, generally plus 10 years. Number of attempts category wise: general 6 attempts, OBC 9 attempts, SC or ST unlimited within age limit, that is 21 to 37 years. Economically weaker sections 6 attempts as general. Stages of examination: preliminary examination, which is objective, it is stage 1. Mains examination, written, which is stage 2. Personality test interview, it is stage 3. Note: filling the form but not appearing is not counted as an attempt. Attempt is counted only if you appear for one paper in prelims. If you think this video deserves like, please like it. If you have any doubts, please comment, and if you think the channel is worth it, please subscribe. Next video is about exam pattern and syllabus in brief.